Hey everybody, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Well, first I want to thank everyone that came to Stingaree Restaurant for July 4th. You know, they were open Sunday and Monday, an extra day Monday, and had a great turnout. Want to thank everyone that chose Stingaree Restaurant as their July 4th lunch or dinner location here on the Upper Texas coast. And we're here in front of Stingaree this morning. They opened at 11 o'clock. And we're going to talk a little bit about what they have planned for July. You know, Stingaree Restaurant's known for its fresh seafood, fabulous seafood platters, their hand-cut steaks, frosty margaritas, and you can't beat a Stingaree Sunset, which is free over East Galveston Bay. Upstairs, they have seafood platters. At lunchtime, you can grab a burger, but I love their Greek salad with blackened chicken, or one of my other favorites when I come here is the grilled shrimp. And you can see they put them in a pinwheel, and it holds in the flavor and the juices so that they're succulent, fresh Gulf shrimp, grilled to perfection. So anyway, downstairs has nothing but great basket meals. They've got the smash burger. They're also known for their surf and turf nachos and their crab nachos. Maybe you're just waiting on a table and you can get some fried pickles, but they've always have live music, and that's no different this year in the summer of 2023. In fact, they've added a little fun to the lineup. On Thursday nights now, starting at 7 o'clock, they have Two Broke Chicks. And this is a karaoke DJ setup. And I tell you what, I was up here this last Thursday, and it amazed me of the adults that got on stage, but also the kids that got on stage and had fun singing in front of everyone. And so if you're down here for a family getaway, or if you're waiting for a table upstairs, check out the Down Under on Thursday evenings for Two Broke Chicks karaoke and DJ. Now, live music kicks off Friday, and they've got a great lineup this weekend. They have Tyler McCullum on Friday night, and great musician, great singer-songwriter. Can't wait to see him. And then on Saturday night, they have the Lowdown Drifters at Down Under. And as always, all the live music at Down Under at Stingaree Restaurant is free. And so we actually have music booked for them all the way out through Labor Day weekend. And so you can go to their website at www.stingaree.com and see more information on the live music lineup. Maybe you're coming towards the middle or the end of July and you want to see who's playing live here. You can see it on their live music calendar, their event calendar. So anyway, but if you're looking for a fresh seafood platter, maybe a seared tuna steak, maybe a hand-cut filet, frosty margarita, and a free sunset, beautiful sunset over East Galveston Bay, you can't beat it here at Stingaree Restaurant. They're located at 1295 North Stingaree Road. When you turn at the gas station, go to the Y, stay to the right, and you'll dead into the parking lot. Bring your family, bring your friends, and enjoy some time here on the dock of the bay at Stingaree Restaurant. Remember, they're closed typically on Monday and Tuesdays, and then they open on Wednesdays. They were open this last Monday due to 4th of July holiday, but typically they're closed on Monday and Tuesdays, and then they open at 11 o'clock on Wednesday, and they're open daily through Sunday. And so there's plenty of time to get down here while you're enjoying your stay here on the Upper Texas coast, and enjoy a fresh seafood dinner, maybe a Texas smoked brisket sandwich or a brisket basket. Now, they have some baskets of barbecue downstairs also. You can have smoked briskets, and this is smoked in-house. They have pulled pork, and they have sausage, and you can get a 3-meat basket that's just fabulous. They also have turkey, and I tell you what, I come in here and get a 1/4 pound of turkey and just eat it by itself. But you have to try their homemade coleslaw. It's fabulous. A little different, but it's got great flavor and great texture. So Anyway, whether you're eating upstairs at Stingaree Restaurant or downstairs at Down Under, you're going to have a fabulous meal and a frosty margarita. And remember, if you're upstairs, save room for their world famous bread pudding. You can't beat it. So we're going to head on out. Hope to see you this weekend at Stingaree Restaurant and Marina, located at 1295 North Stingaree Road here in Crystal Beach, Texas. A restaurant that's been in the family for generations and one that's going to be around for a while. So world famous margaritas and free sunset. We're going to head on out. Hope you enjoyed the show. Remember, you can find out more on Bolivar Peninsula on our website at www.bolivarpeninsulatexas.com and see the live webcams all around Bolivar. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. God bless, and we'll see you at Stingaree Restaurant this weekend. God bless, and bye-bye.
Stingaree Restaurant and Marina, located overlooking an East Galveston Bay at 1295 North Stingaree Road in Crystal Beach, Texas. Known for their incredible views over East Galveston Bay, almost as much as their fabulous fresh seafood, including seafood platters fried or grilled, seared or grilled tuna, hand-cut steaks, and let's not forget their famous bread pudding. Stingaree Restaurant isn't just any restaurant, it's a travel destination with frosty margaritas, fresh seafood, and free sunsets over East Galveston Bay. From fresh seafood to American favorites like Texas-sized chicken fried steak, grilled chicken, or hand-cut grilled ribeye or filet. Remember, from spring through fall, free live music can be heard every weekend at Down Under on the dock of the bay. For more information on Stingaree Restaurant, Marina, RV Park on the Water, or event live music calendar, visit www.stingaree.com.